All right, today we're going to take a quick look at this car steering wheel tray. The company did send this over and compensate me to make this video. And this is going to work great for just general cars, but it will not work on a semi-truck. I'll go ahead and mention that up front. So let's take a look at this. And now I got a video of this in action as well. Also, right out of the box, it comes like this. It has these rubber pieces. So if you do not have a steering wheel cover, you just leave these on, protect your steering wheel. If you do have a steering wheel cover, they just pop off just like that, and then you can just put them right back on just like so. So it's really simple to put those on and off if you're moving, between cars, one with this steering wheel cover, one with not. So on the top here, you do have the food tray. So this is where your drink and your food can go. Nice little area to keep spills and stuff, and you can wash this off. It's nice plastic, hard plastic. It's not going to bend or break. Flip it over. This is the flat side, so this is where your laptop can go. I have a video right here I'll show you with my laptop, and this is a 13-inch MacBook Pro, just to give you a sample size of what that looks like. So very sturdy, typing on it. I actually sat out there and did some work while I had it on, and then I can flip it over easily with one hand. You can see how it just slides over the wheel and uses its own leverage to stay on there. Put my coffee on there. I think here in a second I also put my water bottle on there just to show you how much weight that this can hold. So my water bottle weighs definitely more than a bag of food. So if you're looking for a steering wheel tray, I can definitely recommend this one. It's really good quality material, easy to use, lightweight, and I love that it has the food side and then also the flat side for your laptop. So once again, any cars will work. Cars, truck, general, in general, semi trucks are no go. Hope this video gives you a good idea what comes in the box and how it works.